Assalamu alaikum grade 4, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers, but no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. And now the time is very near when we people will have a meeting with one another. Fine, as you people know that we have proceeded towards our second term. So today our main agenda is I'm going to take your English text class. The date today is 26 January 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Okay class, in our online classes I gave an explanation of this chapter, but some of the students I guess must not have completed the work and the explanation must have been left. So what you people have to do, bring your course book, go fast to your bag towards your bags and bring your course book 4. Open up page number 74. This is the title of this chapter is the Abraham Prize. Fine, I gave a brief explanation to you regarding this chapter, but I am going to make a review done today. Fine, so now this is the chapter about the students of this is the chapter about two boys. One boy was a very good student, and second another boy was a bad student. He used to do cheating. Fine, and on this page what is explained here, you can see here, next Tuesday we are going to have a special examination in English, said the teacher. Many years ago there was a boy at this school called William Abraham. ठीक है ना, अब इसमें क्या बता रहे हैं कि on every next Tuesday there is an exam, special examination is going to be there, and that is of English. ठीक है, now it is going to be discussed that William Abraham is the person who was a student of this school. ठीक है ना, that boy passed out of school and became a doctor. So William Abraham is a doctor. Fine, and he has studied from the same school where I discussed two of the boys. So he, like William Abraham, was studying in the same school where two boys appearance will be there in the next coming lines. Now every year Dr. Abraham gives a prize to the student who gets the highest marks in a special English exam. So Dr. Abraham, who has passed out from this school, he arranges a prize distribution for those students who get the highest marks in the English in the special exam of English. Okay, on Tuesday morning, now come to page number 75. On Tuesday morning everyone was ready for the exam. ठीक है ना, अब Tuesday को क्योंकि एग्जाम होना था, so everybody was ready for the exam. ठीक है, everybody was being prepared. You can see over here there is an examination room here and the teacher is here. ठीक है, okay, the boys are attempting their papers. Now let's see here what is going to happen in the next coming story. Now you have to answer 20 questions in 1 hour, the teacher said. ठीक है ना, एक घंटे में कितने questions करने थे? 20 questions. ठीक है ना, 20 questions were to be attempted within an hour. ठीक है, and remember you must not cheat. Now the teacher is going to give an instruction that nobody is supposed to cheat. ठीक है, the students begin to do the exam. ठीक है ना, students ने अपना एग्जाम करना शुरू हो गए, पेपर देना शुरू हो गए. Why Choi? I discussed two of the boys in the beginning. So Why Choi, two boys are here. So number one is Why Choi and second one is Ying Ki. ठीक है ना, you come to in the next coming lines. Now Why Choi picked up his pencil and began to write. अब Why Choi जो बच्चा है उसने लिखना शुरू कर दिया, because definitely he knew all the answers. He easily finished the first 15 questions. Now he has attempted 15 questions out of 20 questions. Just then a piece of folded paper landed on his desk. अब एक किसी ने फोल्ड किया हुआ पेपर उसकी डेस्क पर फेंका है. Why Choi looked around. उसने उधर उधर देखा Why Choi ने. He saw one of his classmates, Ying Ki, biting his pen and looking at him. अब Ying Ki जो है ना, उसने उसको folded paper फेंका है. Maybe he wants Why Choi to be answered, to answer some of the questions which Ying Ki does not know. ठीक है ना, उसने उसको चीटिंग के लिए ऑफर किया. उसने कहा कि मुझे क्वेश्चन बता दो. What he says now, Why Choi opened the note. अब वो नोट खोल के देखता है. It read, क्या लिखा था उसमें? What is the answer to question 11? Now Why Choi has attempted 15 questions. ठीक है ना, और Ying Ki उससे पूछ रहा है कि क्वेश्चन 11 का आंसर मुझे बता दो. Now Why Choi looked angrily at Ying Ki and shook his head. अब उसने उसको गुस्से से देखा और अपना सर घुमा लिया उससे ना उसकी तरफ से, तो ताकि वो उससे चीटिंग करने का नहीं कहे फिर. Okay, he folded the note and threw it back. Now he folded the note like on which the answer of question number 11 was being asked, and he threw the note back onto the desk of whom? Ying Ki. ठीक है. What are you doing? Why Choi? The teacher asked. अब टीचर पूछता है तुम यहाँ पे तुम क्या कर रहे हो? Why Choi? Because the teacher did not notice the bad student Yankee throwing the paper, folded paper. He just noticed Why Choi in reply when he threw the paper back to the towards the desk of Yankee. The teacher just noticed that thing. अब वो गुस्से से बोलता है तुम क्या कर रहे हो? He walked up and picked up the note फ्रॉम यंकीज डेस्क. अब उसकी डेस्क के ऊपर से उठा लेता है क्योंकि वाई चॉय ने तो गुस्से में फेंका होता है यंकी के पास पेपर. ही रेड इट एंड सेड आई टोल्ड यू नॉट टू चीट, गिव मी योर पेपर एंड लीव द रूम. अब वो गुस्से से बोलता है यहाँ से चले जाओ, गेट आउट ऑफ द रूम. वाई चॉय आई कांट लेट यू फिनिश द एग्जाम, मैं तुम्हें पेपर कंप्लीट करने नहीं दूंगा बिकॉज यू आर चीटिंग. Wai Choi walked out with tears in his eyes. He got on his bicycle and rode very slowly along the road with his headboard. ठीक है ना. अब वाई चॉय क्या करता है, चाहता है, मतलब उसकी आंखों में आंसू आ जाते हैं. एंड ही टुक हिज बाइसिकल एंड स्टार्टेड टू राइड हिज बाइसिकल वेरी स्लोली अलॉन्ग द रोड. ठीक है ना. एंड विद हिज हेड बोर्ड, यानी अपना सर झुका के जा रहा होता है बिकॉज ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी मच एम्बेरसमेंट बिकॉज ही वॉज बीइंग इंसल्टेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल द बॉयज इन द क्लासरूम एंड इवन दो ही वॉज नॉट अ चीटर. Before he knew it, he had crashed into an old man. Both of them fell down. अब उसकी टक्कर हो जाती है किसी बूढ़े आदमी से. ठीक है ना. An old man. There was an old man there. और दोनों गिर जाते हैं. I'm very sorry sir, Wai Choi said. I wasn't looking. क्योंकि वो सर झुका के साइकिल चला रहा होता है. वो कहते हैं मैंने तो आपको नहीं देखा. I'm so sorry. That's all right, said the old man. वो कहता है कि कोई बात नहीं. Let me help you up, said Wai Choi. Wai Choi कहता है मैं आपको उठा देता हूँ. Thanks, but tell me why are you not in school? asked the old man. वो कहते हैं कि तुम, old man कहता है कि तुम स्कूल में क्यों नहीं हो अभी. Okay, what happens here now? I was sent out of school sir, Wai Choi said. ठीक है ना. वो कहता है मुझे स्कूल से निकाल दिया है. सून ही वॉज टेलिंग द ओल्ड मैन ऑल अबाउट यंकीज नोट. अब वो बताता है यंकी ने उसके साथ जो ट्रिक की थी ना उसके बारे में बताता है ओल्ड मैन को. द ओल्ड मैन लिसन पेशेंटली. पेशेंटली मीन्स विद पेशेंस, यानी सुकून से सुनता है वो. कामली ही लिसन्स टू ऑल ऑफ द स्टोरी ऑफ द बॉय वाई चॉय. कैन यू प्रूव टू योर टीचर दैट यू डिडंट राइट द नोट, ही सेड. वो कहता है क्या तुम अपने टीचर को कुछ ऐसा प्रूफ है जो तुम बता सकते हो कि तुमने चीटिंग नहीं की. जस्ट देन वाई चॉय नोटिस द लार्ज पेन इन द ओल्ड मैन्स पॉकेट. अब जब वो ये बात सुनता है तो वो ओल्ड मैन की पॉकेट में एक लार्ज पेन देखता है. ठीक है. ओह येस आई कैन प्रूव दैट आई डिडंट राइट दैट नोट, ही क्राइड. अब वो क्या प्रूफ देगा, ही विल कम टू इन द नेक्स्ट कमिंग लाइन्स इंशाल्लाह. वाई चॉय रोड लाइक द विंड बैक टू स्कूल, यानी हवा की तरह से तेजी से जो है स्कूल की तरफ जाता है. व्हेन ही एंटर्ड द क्लासरूम हिज टीचर वाज मार्किंग द एग्जाम पेपर्स. ठीक है ना. वो चेकिंग करते हैं, मार्किंग मीन्स चेकिंग करते हैं एग्जाम के पेपर्स की. सर आई डिडंट चीट इन द एग्जाम, सेड वाई चॉय. वो बता रहा है ही इज गोइंग टू गिव द प्रूफ टू द टीचर. दैट नोट वाज रिटन विद अ पेन एंड आई ऑलवेज यूज अ पेंसिल. ठीक है ना. वो जो नोट उसको यंकी ने फेंका था वो नोट के बारे में बताता है कि दैट नोट वाज रिटन विद द pen and I always use pencil. You can see even my half of the paper that is being attempted with the pencil. In fact, I don't have a pen. If you look at the handwriting in the notes, you'll see that it's not my handwriting. कहता है कि नोट में जो handwriting लिखी है आप उसको भी compare कर लें मेरे पेपर से. ठीक है. It's not my writing. In any case, I had already answered question number 11 and he also gave one more proof to the teacher that I had already attempted question number 11. If I had not attempted then why would have I asked Yankee about question number 11. ठीक है ना. It was Yankee who asked me this question. The teacher checked Wai Choi's answer paper and the note. He said, I'm very sorry Wai Choi, I made a mistake, please forgive me. Now sit down and complete the exam. वो कहता है कि तुम्हारे जो 5 क्वेश्चंस अब रह गए तुम कर लो. वो समझ जाते हैं टीचर that Yinky was the person who was cheating. Okay. Now, who do you think got the highest marks in the exam? Wai Choi of course. ठीक है ना. अब आपको क्या लगता है किसने एग्जाम में सबसे अच्छे मार्क्स हासिल किए होंगे? That was Wai Choi. ठीक है. On school day when Wai Choi walked up to receive his prize from Dr. Abraham, he was surprised. So what happened when there was a prize distribution on Tuesday? He saw Dr. Abraham Price was there who was going to give the prize to the students who had got the highest marks. ठीक है. Dr. Abraham was the old man. He had knocked down with his bicycle. यानी जिसकी उनसे टक्कर हुई थी जिससे, तो वो कौन थे? That was the old man. ठीक है ना. And Wai Choi had a crash along with that old man. Okay class, I guess you must have understood the chapter and the explanation must be it is enough for you. Now what you people have to do, come to your copy notebooks, open up the very fresh page, give the heading of second term on the very fresh page. ठीक है ना. The empty page. Write down second term because we have proceeded towards our second term and the written work is going to be started now. Okay, after writing down second term heading, come to the next page again. दूसरे पेज पर आइए, ठीक है, and write down date and day on the page, and then write down, make a title page of the Abraham Prize, and you can make your title page more as much presentable as much you can. Fine. Okay, I guess class 4 you people must have memorized the chapter, like you must have, like the concept of this chapter must have been cleared. Until then, you people take a very good care of your health. Meet you soon inshallah in the physical classes. Till then, take a very good care of your health. Allah Hafiz from my side.